Yeah, what's happening, YouTube? As promised, having a little firing tonight. We're gonna do a quick one, guys. Quick breakdown. We've got Turtle Burger by Classic. Moving on to Dark Spirits by Precision Pyrotechnics. Then on to Formata 25B by Funky Fireworks. Then on to Let It Ride by Prime Pyrotechnics. Then on to Bone Shaker by Galactic Fireworks. And then last but not least, Flawless Finish by Precision Pyrotechnics 100 Shots. So guys, like always, doesn't cost nothing, not 1 penny. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification button, guys. Let's get the show on the road. Peace. Yes, people. Had a little hiccup with Turtle Burger. I thought it was filming, but it wasn't filming. Sorry about that, people. So we missed Turtle Burger, so we're going straight in now with Funky. Sorry about that, people. We're going straight in with Funky for Marta 25B. Yeah, when you're ready, bro. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Sorry about that, people. Yeah. It's Funky one, isn't it? Yeah, Funky for all my Funky lovers. Here you go. Sorry, it's just Dark Spirits, sorry, Dark Spirits. Absolutely beautiful, Dark Spirits by Prestigious Pyrotechnics, not Funky. That was Dark Spirits by Prestigious Pyrotechnics. Absolutely brilliant. Next one's Funky, yeah? So now we're going in with Funky, people. Sorry about that. Saj, that was brilliant. Colours, everything was spot on. Absolutely spot on. Like I say, people, it doesn't cost nothing to subscribe. Hit that notification button. Funky. Very rapid, very rapid. That was Funky. That was Scala 25B by Funky. Formata 25B by Funky. What we got next, bro? I think the next one. Huh? Let It Ride. Let It Ride now, people. I'm really looking forward to this one. Let It Ride by Prime Pyrotechnics. New for last year. It was new for last year, people. Sorry about that. Here we go. Let It Ride by Prime Pyrotechnics. Wow. I need to get back for the mine. Booming. Lovely. That is lovely. Prime Pyrotechnics, well done. Wow. Galactic Fireworks, Gold Shaker. Been really happy with these so far. Shout out to Classic, shout out to Prestigious Pyrotechnics, shout out to Funky. Absolutely brilliant. Hope you're enjoying this, people. 50 shots of pure pleasure coming up now. Lovely, jubbly. Yeah. Nice. I like it. But now we've got the finale by Prestigious Pyrotechnics. Flawless finish. Absolutely brilliant. Sarge, you need to bring one out calling Flawless Victory, mate. But yeah, Flawless Finish is coming up by Prestigious Pyrotechnics. Hope you've enjoyed tonight. We've got a lot more of this coming back. I've got the field now. I'm back in the field, baby. But yeah, people. Can you see it, bro? Really, really, really enjoying this. Like I said, please subscribe, hit that notification button. Don't cost a thing, people. There's plenty more coming now. 2021's just getting started for Lee Pyro. Yeah, boy. Yeah, yeah. This is the final, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Saj, you always knock it out of the park, mate. You always know how to do it. You always know how to pull it off. I can't even say no more. I'm speechless after that one. The finale on that was absolutely mental. Saj, top fella, man, top fella. But people, like I said, I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification button. Peace.